In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Blackshark headset to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Razer Blackshark headset on your Xbox console. This is going to work regardless of the Razer Blackshark model that you have, so it can be the V2, it can be the Pro, or any other model available, and it is going to work equally for all Xbox consoles, so both old gen and new gen. So first, all that you have to do is set up the headset. You can connect it to your Xbox via the USB card provided by Razer, where you are able to convert the 3.5mm audio jack connection into USB, or you can connect it directly. What I recommend is that you use the 3.5mm audio jack connection and do it directly to your Xbox controller. So plug the headset into the controller, and as soon as you do this, it is going to be selected as the audio output and audio input devices. You will now be able to talk to others in voice chat. You will be able to listen to everything inside of a game, inside of the voice chat, and so on. It is going to be set up for you, and you don't have to worry. It is plug and play. Alternatively, you can try using the USB card. Just plug the headset into the USB card and then the USB into the Xbox console itself. But usually Xbox consoles have trouble with generic USB headsets, so keep that in mind. I highly recommend using 3.5mm audio jack instead. So whenever it is connected, you will be good to go. You don't have to spend time setting it up, and you will be able to use it without any issues. You can use the volume knob on the headset itself to control the volume, and of course remember to connect the microphone if you plan to use that as well. As soon as you plug it into any console, you will be able to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Blackshark headset to Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.